Hi there, welcome to a special edition of my 10-minute morning. This one will take more than 10 minutes to tell the story. Today I travelled to Calais. After yesterday seeing what happens when these people arrive, I wanted to see from my own eyes what happens before they get here. It's incredible the things that I noticed. It's incredible the things that I took footage of. If you only watch one section of this, watch what I find. Rural countryside in France, and it will shock you, the pure numbers involved in what I see today. Hi there, welcome to the latest episode of my road trip. And today I'm just leaving Blyth, heading towards Folkestone, continue on to Dover, jump in a boat, go over there. That is where the action really is. That's where I'll learn more about what's going on than probably anywhere else. Yesterday was phenomenal in Dover, but I kind of think I need to go there